Hi everybody, this is Joe with Joe's Premium Firewood, bringing another fun-filled, exciting video. Out here in the neighbor's woods, and we're cutting boiler wood for my mechanic to pay for my transmission that he fixed a couple months ago. And I got one hell of a crew out here. We got Mike, we got old boy Zach, and we got Nate. All right, fellas, show of hands. Who plans on playing games today? All right, we're getting the sun's getting done. We're getting done. Hey, Mountain Man wanted to see your new hoodie. This is what he got for beating me in the splitting contest. Now we're gonna have a mall contest between the cowboy and the game player, and then we're gonna have a saw cutting contest.
With who?
You versus him. Who's favored?
Whatever.
Okay.
Well, Saw's gonna use
but yeah, we'll see. He'll use his. You use yours.
Oh, okay.
I'm sure the people enjoy seeing it. But right now I'm gonna have Mike. Mike's gonna be cutting up this locust top here. What saw you gonna use, Mike?
My 250.
The 250. And then I got the 460 out. I'm gonna be cutting these big pieces. Those I'm gonna just leave for the customer or the property owner, because we got to give him some wood too, and they're almost too big for boiler wood. Won't fit through the door. So we're gonna let Zach be cameraman. Just don't touch this button here, Zach, which I've did several times. It'll start it over. So we'll get to work, and then once we get some of this stuff cut, then these guys are gonna start loading the truck while Mike and I cut. And I learned a trick from Zach the other day. Have your face mask down, or a piece of wood's gonna touch you in the nose. Remember that, Zach?
Yep.
All right, Mike, let's get her done. Play game. Damn brake came on. Breakers are still kind of short on that. Start back up.
Got the breakers off.
All right, boys, about time you did some work. You guys ready? Show us how it's done. You ready, Nate? Go get some, load up Mike's truck first. Looks like he's over here playing games. Put in Mike's truck. Yeah, don't carry it uphill to mine. Yeah, get these out of his way. Watch your step. You don't need any workman's comp, somebody falling down.
Oh, darn. I like those.
Nate's getting the big ones. He ain't playing games today. Look at that! One-armed it! It's like riding a bull. Hey Pam, any comment about Zach smoking? I don't know if Zach can handle that one. Holy cow.
I was going to split them in half.
As long as you can pick them up and get them through the door.
That's why I cut them as long as I did.
Yeah, because they are pretty big diameter.
Well, if they can pick them up, Adam.
Yeah, if these guys can pick it up, Adam can pick it up. Looking good so far. So it don't take long when you're cutting these, 24, 36 inches long. It don't take long to fill up the trucks. I'm hoping to get 3 truckloads each. I've already took a truckload and Mike's already took a truckload over there to him. I took stuff that I had. Mike got here at 9 o'clock. It's about 10 o'clock right now. We can't go too high because I'd start another row with that one. Just because his truck don't have the suspension like mine, even though we're not going very far. Yeah, we can't throw them in either. But yeah, there should be a truckload there for at least Mike's truckload. Mike must have to get gas or something. You got everything down there cut? Or is it in your way? That one's too big, it needs to be split. But we finally got a break in the weather, and I got to get them like 20 truckloads, the equivalent of my truck 20 times. So maybe Mike's going to start helping load too. We get this stuff out of the way, and there's a bunch more on the ground over there. And look at that big pile back there. It's all locust. That's all he wants. So, and the other day Mike kind of hit a stump with the quad trailer and bent the axle on it. So we don't have that to our disposal, and a lot of these we can't drive right up to. So yeah, there's a way to do it. Show them how it's done, Mike. Work smarter, not harder. We get my truck full, and then we go on a convoy over there. All 4 of us go over there and unload it.
Need 4 trucks.
Yeah, we'll get it. Well, Zach brought me a load of ash this morning, put it in the back seat of his, what do you got, a Pontiac Grand Am?
Grand Am.
Yeah, he brought me a back seat load of ash for me this morning. So, all right, well, I need to get back to work because we're not playing games today. We're getting stuff done, and thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Say bye.